Hello lovelies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we make beautiful beaded jewelries from scratch and look beautiful in them. If you would like to be part of this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for all uploads. We also have membership perks you can buy to enjoy other videos exclusive for members only. Thank you for clicking on this thumbnail and let's get started together. These are what you are going to need when making the round flowers. 1. Is this round ring, like a key holder ring or any other round object that will serve the same. Please like, share and subscribe. Number 2 is this fine dark blue beads. You will also need these multicolored beads. Make sure you tie a tight knot on the thread before starting. Sorry, I did not record that part. Oh no, this one is too long. I have to cut it because it will be uncomfortable working around it. You will start working on the inner part first. Pick 2 black beads, 1 yellow, 4 black beads, 1 green and 2 black. Now you have to pass your needle through to black, 1 green and 2 black as I am doing. Pick 2 black beads, 1 blue and 2 black. Continue doing the same, but changing the colorful beads in every picking. Always make sure the thread is very tight before you proceed. I hope you have something like this. If so, then let's proceed. Please subscribe. Pick 4 yellow beads to start beading the yellow part as in the picture. Now pick 2 yellow beads. To finish this inner part, now pick 2 orange beads to start. On the next, pick only 1 orange. Now ready to start making the outer part. Count 11 dark blue beads to start. the needle through 5 beads only. Pick 6 beads for the next line. Pass the needle through 5 beads. If you would like to join my membership, please click on the join on my channel where my name is. Finish by picking this one bead. Now you are going to attach these 5 flowers to the beaded choker. If you haven't watched how I made this choker, please go to my last upload. The link is on the description box. You will need 8 beads. Another 8 beads. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. I will post on my community. Bye.